application, application, application. Software, software, software. Program, program, program. Designed, designed, designed. Pupil, pupil, people. Perform, perform, perform. Certain, certain, certain. Differs, differs, differs.
Hi family member, welcome to day 8 of our 31 days journey. How has it been? How has it been? I've not been seeing your comment, guys. I don't know if we're actually not doing anything right here. Like, are we joking? Are we playing? It is your comment that's gonna encourage me to do more. Like, come on, I want it to be an interactive class, okay? By now, I believe that every of my students that has been following me should be able to write at least a simple sentence in the comment section. Please, today is the 8th day of our 31 days journey. I want to see your comment if you have actually been benefiting from this journey, okay? If I don't get a comment, that means we are actually wasting our times, right? So see you on the comment section. And without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into the video.
Numbers, numbers, numbers. Computer, computer, computer. Utility, utility, utility. Compels, compels, compels. System, system, system. Operating, operating, operating. Purpose, purpose, purpose. Just, language, language, language. Created, created, created. Depending, depending, depending. Designed, designed, designed. Manipulate, manipulate, manipulate. Numbers, numbers, numbers. Graphic, graphic, graphic. Combination, combination, combination. This, this. Element, element, element. Packages, packages, packages. Considerable, considerable, considerable. Compute in, compute in, computing. Power, power, power. Focus, focus, focus. Single, single, single. Processor, processor, processor. Integrated, integrated, integrated. Power, power, power. Spread, spread, spread. Several, several, several. Database, database, database. Database include, include. All right, so from the list of words we just pronounced, we were able to come up with this comprehension. So let's read them together. The topic is application software. Application software. We read, an application program is designed to help people perform a certain type of work. An application though differs from an operating system which runs computer, an utility with which compels general purpose chores, and a language with which computer programs are created. Again, an application program is designed to help people perform a certain type of work. An application though differs from an operating system which runs computer, an utility with which compiles general purpose chores, and a language with which computer programs are created. Depending on the work for which it is designed, an application can manipulate text as seen in word processor. Depending on the work for which it is designed, an application can manipulate text as seen in word processor. Others, called integrated software processors, and some work with less power but include several applications such as word processor, spreadsheet, and a database program. Others, called integrated software processors, and some work with less power but include several applications such as word processor, spreadsheet, and a database program.
Okay, so how was it today? Don't forget, for this very journey, you're supposed to read along with me, okay? That's why I make sure I read as slow as possible, because I want it to be a kind of read together. You are reading from your end while I am reading from my end. So you read with me, you pronounce with me, okay? In that way, we can easily understand, learn, and it makes more sense when we do it in group, okay? So this is what it is for today's video, and if you see me for the first time, you're so welcome to the channel, and you can actually be a member in this family. Very simple. Touch that subscription button and you have joined the family. And don't forget, when you do that, turn on the notification button. In that way, you're going to get notified whenever I post a video. Keep staying safe and bye for now.